Welcome back to another simple TikTok video where we'll show you how you can delete your TikTok stories in the newest update. So this works on both iPhone and Android devices, and we will first go over to our App Store or the Google Play Store and just make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. After this step, we'll open TikTok and then go over to our profile by tapping here. Once we're here, we will simply open the story by clicking on the profile picture, and as you can see, I have 2 stories posted. There are 2 different ways on how you can delete your TikTok stories, depending on the TikTok version that you have installed. If you see 3 dots at the right side of the screen, then click on them, and a little menu will pop up over your screen. You'll then find a delete button, so click on it and you can delete the story that way. But if you have the new story interface just like I have right here, then you want to swipe from the bottom to the top of your story in order to open the Views section. This is where you can see who viewed your story on TikTok. But you'll also see this little trash can icon at the left side, and if we click on it, we can easily delete our story this way. And those are the 2 methods on how to permanently delete your TikTok stories. If you need more similar TikTok tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you check out my TikTok playlist from the description of the video, and I'll see you soon.